Back on this side of the pond, an insider trading probe going on over the Samsung group of companies. The cable looks like it's growing like wildfire. Let's get the very latest update on this Tuesday morning from June. June, any vision, any idea when this thing is, when we're going to know more about this thing, when heads might roll, et cetera, et cetera? Is this one of those things that can drag on and on and on and on, through by the prosecutors and through the courts?
Actually, Bernie, not on and on forever, because the reports are expecting about up to a year in terms of how long the investigations could go on. But these investigations are actually in Korea very fast paced, in that as evidence comes up and as more people are suspected, it does come up into the report. So we won't be getting any new names on top of the 9 officials that are already suspected. I don't know, maybe this week, but we will be getting them soon. And also, it's not just the Samsung and JL Industries and the insider trading probe today in the markets that are affecting the Samsung Group shares. Samsung Engineering is one of the best performing names on the Korean market. It's up more than 22% in trade. The fact that Vice Chairman of Samsung Electronics, Jay Lee, has joined in the rights issue at Samsung Engineering is one of the main reasons for the gains. We are seeing other names like Samsung and Samsung Electromechanics also higher. Samsung Engineering has confirmed its plans for a 1.2 trillion won rights issue, which is more than $1 billion US, and this is nearly 4 times the 40 million shares currently outstanding. So this is a very big rights issue. Jay Lee will be acquiring up to 300 billion won worth of these shares, this rights issue of Samsung Engineering. So that'll be about 250 million US dollars. So if existing shareholders do not take up the entire amount, which is not expected at this time because the rights issue is so big, Jay Lee will be taking it up. So this is seen as a positive for Samsung Engineering and Samsung Electromechanics, which is what we are seeing in the markets today. And also, we are seeing speculation of a possible merger between Samsung and Samsung Electromechanics. This is a pure speculation, given that Samsung has said previously that these reports are not true. But also, the reason why these speculations are coming up at this point in time is because both companies have recently sold off their non-core assets, meaning that now they're at a stage where if a merger does happen between these two companies, synergies would be quite big. So that's why we are seeing these reports and rumors coming back up to the surface. Bernie, back to you.
So many things going on at once there, especially amid an ongoing succession plan among the ruling family. I think that's what we can call it functionally. June? All right, June with the update on Samsung there. A colorful story that'll go on for us for a while.